lemon. So we need celery, and we got jars to put in, and water, and for coloring, watch a plant drink. Okay, so we are gonna test that out today, right now. So let's do it! Yay!
Yay! Water.
We have to put the pink. I am the pink.
됐어.
Give me some. Give me some.
케빈 해. 할 수 있어, 케빈도. 천천히. 오케이.
Okay. I will do pink.
핑크 할래? 엄마 것도 하나 해줘.
I
유나가.
will do a red.
응.
Red is just get on the corner. I scared that will be. It's red. Now let's put celery in. I'm gonna have that one. Come in.
유나는 무슨 컬러 했어?
Blue. I'm gonna get this one. No, I'm gonna get this
그냥
one.
넣어.
Put the smaller one. And we're gonna wait tomorrow or next week like that.
Next
and
week 아니
we'll see
one
what
day.
happens. Or one day. Okay, see you tomorrow then. Bye! This is what happened to our celery, and this is Kevin's, and this is mine, and this is my mom's. And mine, it looks like blue leaf and a green stem. And look down here, it's wet. And mine, roasted beef. Yeah, I want to eat it. Roasted beef. Don't eat it.
냄새 맡아봐.
Ah, that smells good. Ooh, let me smell it. Yes. And my mom's is red and has red leaf. And do you know what part is this on the flower or things? These are leaves. They give you food, and these are stems, and we have roots on the bottom. And then my mom cut it out with the scissor or a knife, so it don't have any roots, even a tiny one. Kevin, don't touch. So this what happened to our green celery turns like this. Kevin's is super dark, and mine is a little bit. Bye bye. Let me go to sleeping. Nice. I need to sleep. Now, do you like this video or not? Is it cool that the celery turns into colorful colors? If you want to try at your home, get your own celery. Bye.